What's up guys, it's me, Demonic Shadow, and today we are gonna play some PUBG Mobile. So this is my first game in PUBG, and the main aim of this video is getting a chicken dinner, and I guarantee you I'm gonna get this first try. So let's begin. Hey, okay, now we're in the lobby, and lobby looks pretty good. And I have apples in my hand for some reason. Okay, throw apples at everybody. Nice. Okay guys, now we're in the plane. We're gonna drop somewhere and follow these guys. And let's begin. Okay, now we are skydiving. Nice. Alright guys, we have just now landed. Now let's search for a gun. Okay. So I know this is in the middle of the video, but please try to support our channel. We are aiming to hit 25 subscribers in 1 month. So we'll appreciate the support which we get in this channel. Okay, now we got a helmet, some shotgun, okay, and ammo for shotgun. Nice. Okay, oh my god. Oof, that was close. For that two quick shots. Oh god, that gave me a heart attack. Oh my god, again! Shit. Oh my god. Oh, dude. Get the hell out of here. Yo, guys, that was a close one. Oh my god, that nearly gave me a cardiac arrest. God. Oh my god. Oh god. Alright guys, now I see a car over there. Let's grab that car and go to the zone. Oh wow, it looks like a Fiat though. Anyway, let's go to the zone. Alright guys, I'm still looking for an enemy. Oh my god. That's so weird and boring when you look for an enemy in PUBG. And now my next goal is, if I see an enemy in the open area, I'm just gonna like ram him over with the car. Guys, I'm sorry if I'm having a bad aim, because I'm not used to playing on mobile, because I normally play on PC and PlayStation. So yeah, and also for the bad driving, as you can see that. God. Guys, still no enemies. I can't see any enemies. Okay, my plan is to go to Pochinki, I guess, if I do not Pochinki, sorry, if I to find more enemies, because I think there'll be more enemies there, so let's go there. Guys, I see an enemy right there. Let's try to ram him over. I guess he's a bot. I'm a bot. So there's nothing there. So let's take a big distance. And okay, I see another enemy. Nice. I still can't find him. god, I still can't run them over. 200 shot. Finally, I rammed someone over. Now it's just time for me to kill that lady. Wherever she is. Okay, I think so she died. She quit. Oh god, okay, I think so it's time for us to go. Alright. Oh, I don't know why these red zones are still there in the game. And guys, again, now my car's fuel just ran out. Nice, that is great. So it's time to exit the car and now go walking. We are still in the zone, so it's nice. You guys, somebody shot me. I can see. Guys, somebody shot me. I don't know where is he. God, that was a close one. Yo guys, again there's one guy. Oh my god. Ooh, that's another 2 kills in a row. I got 5 kills and there's 56 people still remaining. Nice. Okay. Now let's carry on our journey. Yeah, your gunfires. Oh. 6 kills. Nice. Okay, another guy. That's shotgun. That's taking money. Whew. That was a close one. Guys, until now the game has been going pretty well, and let's hope we carry on this way. I got 7 kills, 50 remaining, and I'm now going to head to the zone. So see you guys then. You guys, I'm hearing firing, gunfires. So I guess we go there and kill someone. Oh god. See you guys. Oh, that's my teammate. Whew. I got scared for a second. Okay, see my. Come on, baby. Easy dubs. Guys, I think I can't make it, dude. Guys, I think I can't make it. I'm dying slowly in the storm. I think I can't make it. And I hate the storm, and I hate my teammate also. Who the hell does he think he is? I swear I hate him. He just left me to die. I hate my life. I never thought I would die like this. Never. Oh my god. You know what guys, second time is the charm. So let's give it another go. And this time I'm playing solos since I don't want bad teammates like them. This time, guys, I'm playing solo because I don't want to do this because I don't want bad teammates like him. So yeah, and plus there are lesser people. So yeah, let's see how does the second game go. Alright guys, this is the next map, second map, and let's see how does this game go. Right, so I'm again dropping. Alright guys, now I got a shotgun and a pistol. So let's see if I can get another gun except a pistol. Get some backpacks and energy drinks. Nice. Okay, I see a person. Oh my god. Nice. Let's see what does this guy have. Okay, nice. Okay, this stuff. Where is he? Oh, that was a close one. Oh my god. Okay guys, I have this feeling like this map is much harder than the last map. I just think like that. I don't know if that's true or not. Alright guys, I hear some gunfires. Let's just see what is in that direction. Who's there? Who's in that direction? Let's see. Alright, where are you? I hear you, but I don't see you. Oh god, I was close. Whew. Get all that good stuff. I don't want that. I want a scar. Nice. Right off the back, I got 3 kills. Okay, I can see another. Ooh, that was another nice kill. Get all that good ammo. That hat, I love those hats. And let's continue. 4 kills, 82 people left. Yo guys, I think I've noticed something in this map. In this map, it's much easier to get spotted because you'll be mainly roaming around in open areas. So it's much easier to get sniped or shot. People can see you easily. You guys, I hear someone walking around me, like running around me. I don't know where he is. He's here. Oh my god, it's close one. And now, great. This game is going great for me. You know what? First, I can't find any cars to me. First, I can't find any cars next to me. And now I'm in the red zone and I'm outside the zone. And now I'm in the red zone and I'm outside the zone. Like, can this game get any worse? Guys, I'm so scared. I can see like bombs dropping in the red zone right next to me, and I saw one bomb just flying across my screen. Thank God now I'm outside the red zone. That was a close one. Alright guys, quick update. I killed 7 people and there are 24 people remaining. So yeah, my goal is to get a chicken dinner in this game. Come on. Guys, oh god. Get all that loot. Killed 8 people, 11 people. I killed 8 people, 11 people left. And I already see another person. Crap. My name is this. killed him. Oh, that was my first long range kill. That too with a scar. You guys hear gunfire? Let's go check it out. And I'll try to maintain my distance. I think so. I see. Or not. Get in. Okay, I see. 10 kills. Let's go. I'm in a roll, boys. I see another guy coming. Just shotgun him. Ooh, dude, that shotgun though. Let's grab all that good stuff. I see another guy. I think so that guy is a bot. Twelve kills, 4 remaining. Guys, I reckon that we should camp near this airdrop or something, so people will come and I can easily kill him. I see a person coming. Okay, he's coming. I missed all the shots now. Oh, let's go. Guys, only one more person is remaining. I just find him and kill him, and then it's chicken dinner for me. So I'm a little nervous. Yo, I see him. Basket. Is that it? Let's go! Easy dubs. Winner, chicken dinner, baby. Let's go! The game, the work, the effort is worth it. God, it's been a hell of a game. And if you want me to play another PUBG game, guys, if you like it, if you want me to play another PUBG game, feel free to hit that like button, subscribe, hit that bell button to receive more notifications, and I would really appreciate the support. Share, leave a comment down below. I need 5 likes at least in this video, so I can do another PUBG video for you guys. And as always, peace.